Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert NVMe drive to Gigabyte Motherboard. And to do this, first we'll need to take our NVMe drive. It looks like this. Make sure you have one. Then remove the radiators if you have them on your motherboard. They look something like that. And we'll need the screwdriver to unscrew the screws. And one thing that you need to make sure is not to remove these stickers from the radiator. And now when everything is ready, we can take the NVMe drive and connect it the right side first. It should go inside this slot right here. And then push it to the right a bit. And now we need to pull it downwards to this lever. And here, try not to break it. You will hear something, so click noise like that, and your drive will be connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.